In 2 minutes or less, I'm going to show you how to present any slideshow to your friend, class, or the world using a free Google extension, Screencastify, and then edit it using YouTube. The first thing you need to do is get the extension. Go to the Chrome Web Store, search for Screencastify, but you would add it to your Chrome. When you're doing a presentation, you know that you want to show the entire presentation, so we want to click Desktop. However, that means we can't start the recording. In order to do that, we're going to go to Screencastify, we're going to look at their options and find out, well, how do we find the shortcut keys in order to record? So we notice right here, Start, Stop Recording, Alt-Shift-R. All right, now we're ready to go. So we open up our presentation, we click Present, Shift-Alt-R, or Google for Parents. There. We would go advance to our next slides, go over the items we want to go over. When we're all completed, we want to stop sharing. We have our untitled screencast here. What we want to do now is begin talking about how to upload it to YouTube. So we go to Share. We're going to choose YouTube. The next thing we'll want to do is make sure we signed in to our appropriate YouTube channel. Now we have some privacy options. Now we're going to click Upload. Now, in order to edit a video in YouTube, we're going to go to the Upload feature, and you see we've got this video editing. And there's several reasons you might edit a video. For example, after you watch it, you realize you've messed up. So you open the editor. Now we're going to edit that one. So we're going to drag our video into the editing box. The next thing we want to do is we watch it. We realize that there is a little area that we don't really care for in our video. And so when we do that, we're going to split the clip, and we're going to split the clip again. And we can delete whatever parts in between that we don't want. We want to add an introduction. To do that, we find our general introduction in our screen clips. We can just drag and drop it right to the beginning of our video. The last item we might want to add to our videos would be audio. So we come over here to audio. We find the music icon. We would drag that to the audio section. That's the volume. Keep in mind, most Screencastify only allow 10 minutes. If your presentation is longer, then clip the parts together in the YouTube editor. You might have 2 or 3 pieces you want to add together. When you're all done, you're going to want to create your video. Before you do that, you'll want to give it a name. It's going to begin processing, and then from there, you can share it with the world. Remember that when we created it, we did create private share settings, so we'll want to change these share settings to unlisted or public and save. Happy YouTube editing.